Hey! All right, everybody, how's it going? Now then, look, I got another box. Now, you might be thinking, hey, that's a bit of a small box, but there is an e-bike in there, and it's a small e-bike. And it's from a company called DYU, and I think the model is called D3F. I think that's right, DYU, and the model is D3F. If it's wrong, I'll put it on the screen right now, or I'll put it on the screen anyway, so you can see what it is. And it's like a small sort of commuting city bike, that's what I'd call it, where maybe, you know, you live a few miles from work, or you want to go on the tube, or whatever, on the train, you can pick it up, carry it, the handlebars fold down, pick it up, carry it, and off you go. So I'll take it out of the box. I don't think there'll be much assembly. It's probably all put together, more than likely. Maybe the front wheel's off, I don't know. But I'll open the box now, and I'll show you what it's like. Ho, 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 ho. Right, okay, I've taken it out of the box, and it comes like that. The seat is not attached yet. There's a UK plug. There's also an EU plug in there, but it comes with a UK plug. All manufacturers should send UK plugs. Some don't, but they should. So it comes with that. The bike's mostly together, and there's a box here, which I'm assuming has the charger in and the pedals. I'll just check quickly and see what's in there, because the pedals are not attached. So I got to be careful. I've put this in my pocket, and the blade is sticking out. So I'll just cut this open here. I'll have a quick peek, like so. And inside is, what have we got inside here? We have inside, looks like a rear mudguard, is it? Possibly a rear mudguard. Charger. Another UK plug, because I think they've put one too many in. There we go. And like I said, it's the pedals. The pedals are in there. And there's, looks like a rear light to me in there. Instructions. And a couple of, I think that's to do the pedals up. So there we are. So it's pretty basic, sort of easy to put together, because the handlebars are already on. Look, all you do, pick that up like that, close that, turn a lever, and there we are. So all I got left to do now is mudguard, seat, and the pedals. I'll put them on, and I'll be back in a minute. Oh, hey! Oh, and there it is, look. Super simple, easy to put together. It didn't take long at all. Less than 10 minutes. Pedals on, handlebars up, turn the handlebars around, do up the bell, put the seat on, put the lights on. Ho, and it's done. It was as simple as that. It's super, super simple. Now then, like I said, this bit by here, look, is for carrying it around. Look, see, you can carry it around. So you can get the old handlebars, put them down, put the seat down, grab the bike, and you're on your way. Are these folding ones here? I'm assuming these must be folding doodads, are they? Let's have a look. Yes, if I push it that way like that. And I'm not doing it. There we are. So the pedals fold up. This goes down. Let me put it down and show you. Might as well show you, isn't it? You've got to turn. It's got like a little turny locking thing there. It is quite tight. This is. It's got to be quite tight because you don't want it to fall down, do you? So, like that. That goes down that way like that. Just past the pedal. Undo the seat. That's obviously, this has got to go up here. This light. Put that down there like that. Nice and compact. Put it in the back of your car. Or grab it and carry it. I'm off. I'll see you later. I think the one thing I should have done then was that I should have put the side stand up when I was carrying it. Because it caught me in the leg. But anyway, put the side stand down, put that up like that, lock it off, turn the little collar so it locks, it doesn't undo, put your seat to where you want it to go. I don't know how high you're supposed to go and where you're supposed to stop on this seat. But let's put it by there, for instance, okay? I'll put that pedal out, like so, and let's take a seat and see what it's like. Yeah, that's actually all right. It's quite comfy because, I don't know if you can see here, got a nice, lovely, comfy seat. It's got a 250 watt motor in the rear. It's got a little throttle thing there, display here. If you hold that, let me turn the bike on. Power button over this side. I'll turn it on. Display comes up with 4 lights. I think if you hold this down for 3 seconds, I think it says. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it doesn't turn with the handlebars. Look, it's fixed. I'll turn it that way and show you. I don't know if you can see the light. It's got a built-in headlight there. And then, have you got to hold it for 3 seconds to turn it off? 1, 2, 3, 4-ish. And that turns the headlight off. So there we are. Single speed in the rear. Super simple, you know. It's got disc brakes with cable operated levers with the switches in. That's about it really. Like I said, single speed. I don't know how many teeth our front cog is there, but it's a perfect commuter, isn't it? So I think the best thing to do now is for me to jump on the bike, take it out and see what it's like. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, all right everybody. So here we are, out on the old open road. Better watch this roundabout here. The cars come pretty fast. So I'll probably be here for a while. Right. Can we make it? Yes, we can. Go on. Yay! Whoa. Right, there we go. Across the other side. Right then, down here. Right. Right, I gotta say, this little bike is loads of fun. The DYU D3F, I think it's called. It's a right laugh. Hey, look at it. So it's not a massive powerhouse. It's not like it's got loads of power, but it's light and it's nimble, and you can get through little small spaces with the little handlebars. So, and let me just get around you. And anything coming that way. And I think the top speed is, I think it says the top speed is about 15.5. I think it's a little bit less. Well, I can't tell because I haven't got a speedometer at the moment. But because all you come with is all it comes with is like a gauge here, like 4 LED lights, I think it is, or 5 LED lights, green lights. And the other button's a power button, and the other button is for the lights. And other than that, I think I just turned it off. We turn it back on. And yeah, it's loads of fun. Look at it. Little 14-inch wheels and tyres. But it's got pedal assist, so it's quite easy going up little hills like this. There's no stress at all. But yeah, it's loads of fun. It is absolutely loads of fun. And I think I've seen a few reviews of this, and lots of people who've bought them have said they're loads of fun. And I mean, they are good if you've only got to travel a few miles. I nearly went into the curb then. If you've only got to travel a few miles, it's ideal. But anyway, so it is what it is. There's no suspension on the front or the rear. It's a solid frame with solid forks. But the seat is super duper comfy. Let me just pull over a minute. I think my camera went a bit funny then. Let me just this. I think that should be better there. That bump was a little bit big, and let's do it up as tight as I can. Right, there we go. It should be better now. Right, and obviously when you pull off, you can pull the throttle as well. It gives you a little bit of boost until your pedalling kicks in. But yeah, so like I said, it's top speed with the throttle I expect is 15.5 max. I think it says that on the website. And then the battery is a 36 volt and it's 10 amp hours. Yeah, it's 10 amp hours. So you're not going to go massive distances, but I don't think it's meant to do that. That's not what it's designed for. It's designed for like people in the cities, or if you only want to travel like a few miles, put in the back of your car. Imagine you can put in the back of your car, and you can put in the back of your car, take it to, you know, somewhere nice, like the seaside or somewhere anyway, and go for a little ride around any, so, you know, go around, you can go around, you know, new cities, have a little look around. It's perfect. Now another thing it's good for is, let's look, for instance, like I'm going up this path by here, okay, right? And there's a set of steps in front of me. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps altogether. So I come by here like this, stop on the bike, like that, grab it with a grab handle, like that, up the steps, easy peasy, look at that, look at that. And then we're up the steps then, look. So that's the beauty of this bike, is you can pick it up and just carry it anywhere you want. Let's get to the top of this hill. Here we go. Hey! Oh, it's a good laugh. So it's got front and rear disc brakes. And I think they're 160mm discs and mechanical brakes. And let's do a little stop test. Oh, they stop really well. They stop well for the little bike. They're plenty enough for this little bike and little wheels. Let's get down here out the way. Right, there we go. I've adjusted my front camera because it was flopping down a bit. I think the handlebars, it doesn't like the handlebars, my grip there, it kept falling down. It might fall down again, I'm not quite sure. But I've got it as tight as I can do. I can't go any tighter. Right, so the bike, the brakes are good, the bike's a laugh. And the best thing of all, it's quite cheap. I think it's under £500 in the UK. I'll put it up on the screen now, what the price actually is on the website. Any links to this bike will be in the description, and I'll put it up on the screen as well because, you know, might as well, innit? But yeah, I got like I said, this is not a long distance cruiser bike. It's a short distance, get you where you're going, and it's a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. I've said fun a lot. I've said fun about at least 20 times now, but it is a good laugh. I'm not lying, honestly, trust me, it's a good laugh. Anyway, let's get round here. Let's go up in our field and have a look what's going on. Ho, 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 ho. Whoa. Okay then, here I am, I've pulled over. There's the bike there, look. I pulled over a nice spot, nice view down there, look. Farmer's been digging the field. I don't know what he's been doing there, or if he's going to plant anything. But anyway, there's the bike there, the DYU. It's got like aluminium cast wheels, look, with like a red stripe on it. So the bike is like a red and black is the sort of scheme, I suppose. But like I said, it's got no suspension at all. But this seat, I don't know if you can see under there, the seat has got springs on it, and it's got a nice comfy, that's lovely and comfy, that is. So it takes the shocks out of it. It's quite easy to pedal, but you're not going to get up the steepest of hills. You know, if it's really, really steep hill, you're not going to really get up there. So it's sort of, like I said, it's more of a city bike, more of a, I mean, look, if you've got a camper van, it's ideal. You can tuck it away, you can put the car in the boot. It's that kind of bike. You can put it anywhere. And I did give my daughter a go, and my son-in-law, and they both loved it as well. They were laughing and giggling when they were riding it, and it is a fun bike. It is a fun bike. And also, it probably got some practicality as well, because it's not just fun, like I've said, which is fun about 25 times now. I'll try and find a different word other than fun. It's a good laugh, okay? I'll use that. I'll say it's a good laugh. But it's got practicalities as well, because, like I said, if you want to go somewhere a few miles and you've got to leave, say for instance you've got to have your car fixed, go to the garage, take this little DIY bike with you in the boot, pop your car in the garage, you can ride home. It's lovely. Going to the shops, you can go to the shops now. I mean, it is a good laugh. It's a good laugh and it's practical. I like it anyway. Some people might watch this video and say, nah, but no, I like it. I do like it. I think an aluminum frame as well. It looks like it's aluminum. Just check the welds out. The welds are okay. I think that is pushing back in there, that little rubber grommet there. But yeah, got mudguard in the front, mudguard in the back. You've got a bell, you've got lights. What more do you want? And I think it's, like I said, it's under £500 in the UK. So anyway, let's get back on the bike. I think I'm going to go through that. And go through there and have a laugh and see what it's like. Do a bit of off-roading. Anyway, so right, let's jump on the bike. And we'll go through this little hole by here. Hopefully. I have got shorts on, so I don't know if I'm going to get stung with anything, but let's... oh, hey, hang on. Oh, look there, look. Stingies there, look. Let me just lift my leg out the way there. Oh, and brambles as well. Oh, I'll stick my legs in the air. Right, there we are, we're through. Right, right, let's go down here. I think this is a sort of path here. Try and see where people have been walking. Right, so I'll just show you where I am. Look, viaduct over there. If you've seen any of my other videos, I don't know if you can see there's a viaduct. There used to be a viaduct that came all the way across here. I'm not sure if that came round here. There used to be a railway track along there, and it used to go to Newport. But they got rid of it. They got rid of the railway track to Newport. How silly is that? Still got one to Cardiff. I'm waffling now. But they got rid of the railway track from Caerphilly to Newport. I don't know. Anyway, let's go down here then. Down a big hill. I mean, this bike isn't an off-roader by any means, but it can still go down here. Look, it's okay. The brakes are stopping me. I'll go down here in a dignified manner. Well, as dignified as I possibly can. Oh. But like I said, it has got 14-inch wheels, so it's not meant to be an off-roader. But look, I'm off-roading. I am off-roading. Look, I am off-roading. So let's get down here. I'm not going to go too fast because even though the seat is nice and comfy, it's still a bit, it's still a bit bumpy. Look, there's a bath there, look. Right, let's get down here. Whoa, hey. And there we go. So there we go. It can take a little bit of the rough stuff as well. So, I mean, not like downhill biking, but it still can do it. I think a couple of my fillings just fell out, but anyway, there we are. We're almost back onto the main road. There we are down here. We made it. Look, there we go, safe and sound. And there we go. Ho! And here we go. And it does get up to speed pretty quick when you're on the flat and going downhill. There we go. I reckon I'm doing over 15 miles an hour now, but that's from gravity, so there we go. Anyway, better stop, there's a car coming. Brakes work well. I think I'll make my way back to the house now, and I'll give you my summary of the bike. See you in a minute. Hey, alright then, there it is, the DYU D3F, sort of mini electric bike, and it is, like I said, a lot of fun. I'm not going to say it again. Now, there's an affiliate link in the description, so if you want to buy this bike, go through the affiliate link, it'll help me out. And to summarise this bike, I mean, I had a good laugh. You could see I had a good laugh on the bike, didn't you? And it does get you where you want to go. So anyway, and it's relatively cheap. So there it is, the DYU D3F electric bike. If you enjoyed this video, go on, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ho, ho, hoi!